Hello, boys and girls. It's time to go over your homework. Math 7 homework number 3, circles. I really hope you watched the video before you tried this, otherwise you probably failed miserably because it doesn't make any sense if you didn't watch the videos. All right, for circumference, this is 1, 2, 3. It's the distance across, the diameter, times pi, and pi is 3.14. So pi times the diameter. So I got 3.14 times the distance across of 4. 4 times 3.14 is 12.42 inches, right? Distance around. Now I've got a diameter of 3 feet, so 3.14 times 3. 3 times 3.14 is 9.42 feet.
I have two things actually.
For number 3, I was only given the radius. Halfway across. I need the full distance across, so I need this too. So if the radius is 3, the diameter is 6, right? Double it. So that's 3.14 times 6, which is going to be 18.84 meters. Now for the perimeter, okay, so we've got a semicircle. Remember, we have to find the arch, and the arch itself is half the circumference. So 1/2 pi times the diameter, and then we have to add this part back in, which is the diameter. So I've got 1/2 pi, which is 3.14, times the diameter, which is 8. And then I'm going to add that back in at the end, another 8. Half of 8 is 4. So 3.14 times 4, I know is 12.56. I'm going to add that 8 back in, because that's this part. 12.56 is the arch. The 8 is the distance across, so I get 20.56 centimeters. Okay, that's the first page. Got one more page to go. This hopefully went quick. Okay, here we go. Page number 2. Area. It'd be so much easier to find the area of a circle if pies are square. Pies are circular. So pies are square. So I need the radius. I need halfway across. So first circle. Wow, I didn't even number these. Here, I'll number for you now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Silly me. Okay, so the radius is half of 6, so it's going to be 3. I'm going to have 3.14, which is pi, times the radius, 3, squared. 3 squared is 3 times 3. So I have 3.14 times 9. That's 27, it ends up being 28.26 meters squared. All right, for the second problem on the second page, number 6, all the way across 20 feet, so the radius is 10. So I'm going to do 3.14 times 10 squared. 10 squared is 10 times 10, so that's 100. Now if I do 100 times 3.14, hopefully you know that moves the decimal over 2 spaces. So watch on the calculator, 3.14 times 100, it moves the decimal over 2 spaces. I'm left with 314 feet squared. Okay, I'm coming down here to semicircles. I'm going to half the pies are square. So I got 1/2 times pi, which is 3.14, right? The radius is halfway across. The whole way across is 8, so halfway is 4. I'm going to do 4 squared. 4 squared is 16. So that's 4 times 4. Half of 16 is 8. And then 8 times 3.14 is going to be 25.12 feet squared. And the last one, 1/2, right? Pi, 3.14. Radius, it's given here is 2, and I'm going to square it. So half times 3.14 times 2 squared. 2 squared is 2 times 2, and that's 4. Half of 4 is 2, And then 2 times 3.14 is going to be 6.28 meters squared. And those are the answers to Math 7 homework number 3. Hope you did well.